Bye, Cinder. Bye, Cinder. Bye. All right. See that?
Oh, we're talking about...
Bye, Cinder. Bye, Cinder. Bye.
Oh, yeah,
See? Does he have loyalty or no?
definitely.
Cinder. Stay. Bye. Bye. Bye, Cinder. Bye. Bye, Cinder. How loyal is your puppy? Alright, you can let her go. Let's see. Bye, Cinder. Bye. Oh, he wants to be with me. Look at that. Okay, you can let him go now. Cinder. Cinder. Oh, you want to stay with me? Or you want to go with him? Cinder? Bye. His name is Cinder.
Aww,
Yeah, he's 3 months.
cute.
You have any pets?
I do. I have a pit bull named CJ after her mother's sister.
Okay. He likes you. Is he loyal? To you or to me? The owner? Look at that, look at that. Look at that. You don't want to go with her, Cinder? Look, she has more.
I'm just a new person.
Yeah, but look at that. Look at that. He likes you. Nah, he doesn't. He's more loyal to me. Watch. Okay, don't let him follow me. Just let him stay right there. Watch. Look at that. Watch. You want to stay with her? Do you, or you want to come with me? Huh? All right, watch. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Watch. Look at that. See? He won't go anywhere else but with me.
And that's good.
See? Yeah, mixed with the Belgium Malinois. Come and pet him if you want. His name is... Yeah. Let me take this off. Hey, can you take it off for him? You're the dog expert. Hey, go here, Cinder. Go. Go ahead. Just pull it up. Remember that game Killer Instinct from back in the days, Super Nintendo NES? There's a player called Cinder, and yes, because of the flames. Look at that. Oh. Can you climb up here? 3 months. He'll be, yeah. What do you thought he was?
Like 5, 6 months.
Yeah, the veterinarian, the doctor, he said that he's way too big for his age. Yeah, look at that. But look, he wants to get to me though, right? Look at that. I'm right here, dude. Look at that. Look at that. What? Look, stay right there with them. You know, you don't want to. Oh, look at that. He got up there. All right. That's Cinder for you. All right, stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Stay, Cinder. Oh. Yeah, I started teaching him at 6 weeks. The guy that gave it to me for my birthday, he gave him to me when he was 2.5 weeks, and I fed him goat milk mixed with the red, you know, the red cap milk, with the cow milk, and also the puppy powder. I mixed it in the blender. Come on here.
Yeah, I have a purebred German Shepherd.
Yeah.
I'm already, what, 12? My dog's almost there. She's like...
Cinder. Look, he's chewing your hair. He likes your hair. Do you have any pets?
I have a dog.
You have a dog? What kind of dog?
I'm not sure. I don't have
Just go with him. Just call his name. Call him. Just... Look at that. New owner, bye, Cinder. No, you don't want to be with me. Look, she'll take you. She'll take you. Look. So he wants to be with me? He loves me? You can let him go. Let him go. Watch. Look, see?
Say hi. You know what?